This 2023 Grand Design Solitude 310 GKR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 34 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, oven, leveling jacks, LP detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, TV, awning, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude 310 GKR is 12,100 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.